I will help you through this. If you want something done, do it yourself. Patiently waiting for you. My mood. Subtle. Comfy. Touch me like you mean it. You are coming to tuck me in, right? Never let me go. Snooze. Weekend position assumed. Freaky Friday. I must eat it. Nope. Snoozing. Swamp days. Slipped right in. Getting into position for the weekend. I'm right here. My contribution for the day. My last 2 brain cells. Need big dog. Little scream to start the day. Tell me everything. Don't mind me. Me and do not disturb. Collective scream to start the day. Snacks make me calm. Logged in for the day. Cat says no work today, only meow, meow. Slug Sunday. Found hopeless love in a place. Nope. This could be us. What do you mean I look tired? You are my favorite snack. Oh Lord. Rolling my way back to you, babe. I just love working out. Sorry, but I ate your warm girlfriend. Perfection. The most wonderful time of the year. What's the equivalent of yum yum but for sleep? Together we can brave the storm. Just want what they have. This will do. Retrograde blood moon pins. Grumpy cat. Me at the party. Beast inside. Imagine not feeling alone every day. Ceasefire now. Just let me wallow for a while. Desperately waiting to be ate. Everything is fine. Window. It could have been different. Don't mind me. Waiting for you. This is fine. Tag your walk. In summary. Hello there. You are my favorite goat. Me doing my silly little jobs. Just doing my best, and I know you are too. Gang. This is fine. Most valuable item. He has risen. This is where I'm at. Beep beep, watch out, new me coming through. I am the Sunday void. When will I be noticed? Fragile Sunday. Good morning, it's a new week. I believe in you, you got this. The scream. Ding dong. Relax. I cannot.